Hey guys, how you doing? Dave here. Welcome to Cook and Share. I've made my fair share of cakes in the day. I've made pineapple upside down cakes, and I thought, I love bananas. What about a banana upside down cake? So I made this and it came out just beautiful, incredibly delicious. You're gonna love it, so let me walk you through this. So to kick things off here, I've got a cup of brown sugar, and I'm going to combine this with half a cup of melted butter. And I'm going to mix this up until I get a nice smooth texture. So what I've got here is a 9-inch cake pan, and I'm going to give this a good coat of baking spray, just so it comes out nicely. Add the mixture in. And then we're just going to spread this out evenly. Next up, what I've got, some fairly ripe bananas. So I'm just going to go ahead and slice these up. I just love the smell of bananas. I guess maybe I'm part monkey. Then arrange it over the top of my butter and sugar mixture. Haven't even begun baking and it smells so good. And you want to make sure it covers all of the areas. And the last one for good luck. And I'm going to set this aside in the fridge for a few minutes just so the bananas don't turn color on me. Okay, what I've got here is 432 grams, or a box of vanilla cake mix. And you can buy this in just about any grocery store. And I'm going to combine this with a cup of water, and of course the instructions are on the box. Half a cup of vegetable oil, and 3 eggs. So let's get cracking here. Grab up my mixer, and we're just going to mix this until it's well combined. I should mention you can do this by hand as well. So you want this fairly lump-free, and then I'm going to add in half a cup of chocolate chips, just for some additional flavor. And take my spatula and mix these up. The smell's so good. Alright, I'm going to pour the cake mixture over the banana and sugar mixture. So I'm going to slip this into a 350 degree Fahrenheit, 177 Celsius for about 50 to 55 minutes. Now I'm using a fairly tall pan here. If you're using something thinner, you're going to want to reduce the time, but you want it. When you insert the toothpick, lo and behold, it comes out clean. Now I'm just going to go ahead and let this cool completely. After our cake has cooled down, I'm just going to run a knife around the edges. Put a cake stand or a cake plate over the top. And we're going to give this a flip over. Give it a little tap tap on top, just to release everything. And simply release the pan. And voila, there you have it guys, our beautiful banana upside down cake. Wow, this looks incredible. So let's cut into this and see what we have here. Oh my goodness, just look at this, guys. Guys, believe me, this is a taste of heaven. It's fluffy, it's moist, sweet, the taste of the bananas. One of the best cakes I've ever had. You gotta try this. For the full scoop on this recipe, head on over to cookandshare.com. All kinds of great dessert recipes, recipes upon recipes. You're gonna love it. Thanks for subbing, thanks for watching, and see you next time.